This is a test of the Rhodes Wireless Mic 2. Let's see if I can move this down so you can see. So I'm wearing the lapel mic at the moment. I have it as close to my mouth as I can. Let's maybe move it to the other side. That might be better. So this is the lapel mic. I don't know if you can see that well with the thing. I have the Rhodes Wireless system set up, just clipped onto my computer. And just like last time, I've got a laptop there set up with typing noises so we can hear the background noises that we get. So at the moment, I have the second microphone muted, so I'm going to unmute the second microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Here you can see me. See the. Where is it? Where's that? There it is. Let's move this chair out the way. This is the microphone sitting next to the computer. I'm going to mute my professor mic. This is the sound of me sitting by the computer typing while talking on the pass-around mic. This is me sitting one seat away from the laptop that is typing. And this is me sitting 2 seats away from the noise source of the laptop typing. I'm gonna unmute the microphone. It looks like both mics are now operating. So that concludes, I'm gonna mute this one. That concludes this test of the Rhodes system. One observation, the professor mic, there's no indicator when you mute and unmute it. There is a button here, but there's no indicator on the transmitter on the actual device when I mute and unmute. So this is unmuted, and then I'm going to show you mute. This is unmuted again. There is no indicator on the device whether it is muted, or unmuted. There is an indicator, however, on the transmitter. Let that focus. It is not focusing too well, but there is a indicator there to show whether or not it is muted or unmuted. You can kind of see that just changed. Okay, this concludes this test.